बंद दरवाज़ों के पीछे कोई हमारा अगर भरोसा तोड़ता है तो किसी को पता चलता है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं। प्यार के चक्कर में हम अंधविश्वास में कई बार पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन या वीडियोस या इमेजेस शेयर करते हैं। हम सोचते हैं कि ये सुरक्षित है, कि जिससे हम प्यार करते हैं वो कुछ करेंगे नहीं। बट कई बार जब ब्रेकअप हो जाता है या रिश्ता ख़त्म हो जाता है तो लोग इसको वेपनाइज करते हैं और इमोशनल अत्याचार के तौर पे हमारे अगेंस्ट यूज़ करते हैं। तो आज हम ऐसी कई कहानियाँ सुनेंगे जहाँ औरतों को अपने प्रेमी से ही खतरा हुआ है।
When I was in school, I passed out from college, but when I was in school, I've heard few cases where I've heard my guy friends or like friend of a friend talk about their friends sharing, intimate pictures of another girl. And I used to be like, and they were like doing it so playfully, like, कि हाँ, it's normal कि अच्छा उसका photo and all that is like being circulated. And I was so shocked to know कि अच्छा this is what goes on in the, the boys community or whatever you can say. So that was like a very eye opener for me कि you have to be very careful because I know about someone else and she's a girl. She must have shared it because she felt intimate, that it was intimate to her. And she did not know that it would actually circulate. And that guy, whoever she trusted with, he circulated it, and now it's like spreading everywhere, and people are making fun ki photos got circulated. So
As a woman, how did you feel when you heard something like that?
very uncomfortable. Very. I did not want to exist as a woman. To be honest, I was like, that was an eye opener for me. Like I was like, this is what goes on. Like this is what happens when you, it's like. You see someone for someone else and then they turn out to be someone else. You don't know how monstrous they can be. So that is how it made me feel. It made me feel very unsafe to just be myself as a person. I'm not just talking about like pictures or anything. Then I started getting conscious about everything, like the way I talk, the way I walk, the way I am perceived in public. Like
What you wear?
Yeah, everything. Like even if I'm wearing a very normal clothes, I feel like, what would people think? What if they're making fun of this as well? Like she looks like this, or if they can make a fun of someone else's pictures, they can definitely do anything. So it's like every step that I take into this world after when I get out in this world is like it's like stepping on a foot mine. Ki, I have to mind everything. Ki, am I walking right? Am I looking right? Am I revealing too much or something? Am I talking too much? Everything. I got conscious about everything as a woman. So that was my.
What about you? Any experience you've had with?
Well, I'm very careful about sharing pictures and all, but yeah. So, not a person I know, but we were outside and we noticed that this guy is taking pictures of women, like from very odd angles. We didn't know him and we couldn't really do a lot about it. And now, I mean, I don't know what kind of pictures some stranger has of me. So, like, it's just that it feels like if you're a woman and you're out in public, your consent, and if you presenting yourself in a particular way, your consent has already been perceived by the public. You are a public asset, right? And so that was a very weird experience. And then not about me, but so I got to hear about this girl from a friend of mine, a girlfriend of mine. She was telling how this girl is very filthy, that she doesn't take baths every day. I mean, I don't know. Well, example.
Always under the male gaze, no?
Always. That can't even let me speak. So yeah, so this girl, so it was like all these rumors. My friend didn't know her directly, but she slept with every guy in the neighborhood. And I'm like, and later on she's like, oh, she's in school. I'm like, wait, she's a minor. And she has slept with every guy. We're talking about adults here. And she's like, yeah. And she didn't see how this is a very misconstrued, this is a constructed story about this little girl, right? In a relationship where you're dating a minor, the man has the power in the relationship, yet we are creating
Statutory rape, basically.
Exactly. And we're making a story that, oh, this girl has slept with every guy. No, the girl's a child, and the guys have used her to sleep with her, right? And still, and like that sexual dirtiness has created another rumor of her not taking baths. Such a ridiculous story, and like she was laughing. I could not bring myself to.
I don't think a woman should laugh when another woman is being made fun of.
Exactly. So a lot of the times we don't realize what we're becoming a part of by circulating stories like this. A lot of women also, yeah.
आपके साथ कभी ये एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है कि कोई आपको ब्लैकमेल करता है या uses those pictures or videos against you?
एक्चुअली हमने कभी पिक्चर शेयर ही नहीं किया है क्योंकि हमें अब के टाइम पे ना किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं होता. जो अभी का जनरेशन चल रहा है ना उस अकॉर्डिंग तो कभी नहीं किया ये सब. तो हमें वैसे शेयर करने में कोई इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है और हम करेंगे भी क्यों. वो हमारी पर्सनल चीज़ है तो हम तक ही है.
और आप
कभी शेयर किया ही नहीं है इसमें. इतना ट्रस्ट नहीं होता है अभी किसी पे ना, तो इसलिए कभी शेयर किया ही नहीं है और ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ भी नहीं है.
I think yeah, I've heard a couple of people facing the same issue, and firstly, I think girls should not share their intimate photos, whether they are in relationship or not, because अगर आप किसी के साथ relationship में हो तो intimate photos का क्या काम है वहाँ पे, है ना? Firstly, that is what, and I think yeah, आप जैसे बोल रहे हो, it is out there, people use it because ultimately जब आप breakup कर लेते हो तो people have grudges की वजह से they use it. So yeah, it's pretty much common out there, I would say.
लकी इनफ आई थिंक. अभी तक ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. सो आई ऑल्सो टेक सम प्रिकॉशंस दैट कितना भी प्यार में हो चाहे जितना भी कुछ भी हो, आई थिंक वी शुड नॉट शेयर इट अक्रॉस ऑनलाइन. कहीं भी कुछ भी, इतने सारे डेटा ब्रीचेस हैं. बोलते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे इन्फॉर्मेशन लीक हो रही है, हर जगह इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो आई थिंक वी शुड ट्रस्ट आवर गट्स एंड नॉट शेयर एनीथिंग ऑन एनी ऑनलाइन मीडियम. हाउ मच वी ट्रस्ट एनीबडी द अदर पर्सन शुड बी.